How to sign up for Forex trading account on your PC or your Android. Hey guys, let's get started. Creating an account on your Forex trading is quite simple. For this, open any of your browser from the Android or the website. Now that you go to the forex.com, you will see start trading option. To get logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then tap on start trading. It will take you to another page from where you can select from the various options of accounts. Tap on the one that best suits you. The first step would be providing the personal information. You have to apply within 5 months and give all the details such as title, first name, last name, date of birth, primary phone number, email address. Next step would be verification of email address. For this, you'll be getting a code which you need to provide and you will be taken to the third page, which is trading experience. Trading experiences include additional information that you need to give on, and once that is done, you can submit. Once you have finished, you have successfully created your account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.